Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonara Artis, and today I am going to be demonstrating a soak off with these plastic forms for soaking off your acrylic nails. Now, I'm usually old school with it. I usually just use foil, or sometimes I don't even honestly soak my nails off. I drill them down, clip them off, do it the fast way because I'm really not that patient. So if you're like me, but you want to try something healthier for your nails, then stay tuned and keep watching. So I have 100% pure acetone. I purchased this from Walmart. It is the Onyx brand. And I just got some basic cotton balls. And I'm just saturating them with the acetone. Not too wet, but like a good enough of liquid to be able to make it work on my fingers. So I'm just clipping on these clamps. And what I can say about these clamps are they're very snug. I feel like I didn't need a whole cotton ball because it really left me with no room. I feel like maybe use half the cotton ball and then saturate it because, listen, it was snug in there. So what I do to one hand, I always do to the other. I really don't have a lot of acrylic on my nails. You may have more acrylic on your nails than me. What I did, though, was file down with an e-file the bulk of my acrylic, and then what was left is what I'm soaking off. So that purple acrylic, some of that clear acrylic is getting off of there. And I'm not going to soak my middle finger because it's really just the tip left on there, like a little piece, and I'm just going to file that down with my e-file. And as you see, my other finger, like I told you guys in the video before, I just completely took that nail off. So, yeah, that's what's going on with my nails. The directions on the bottle say leave it on for about 15 minutes, so that's what I'm going to do. And then when I come back is what you'll see me do. Okay guys, so I'm back. It's been 15 minutes. I'm just gonna pop these off and see what's going on. As you can see, it softened up, and I'm just taking a cuticle pusher and just scraping it off, and I'm gonna do this to every finger. Nothing special. Okay guys, I had to go take a little break. My baby woke up, she was hungry, woke up out her sleep, so we had to make her a bottle. But when I came back, I just pulled them off because I ended up putting them back on my finger. And what's left of any acrylic on my nail, I'm just gonna take my e-file and just file it down with a fine bit. You can use a sand bit if you want, but honestly, if you have light pressure, you can use a fine bit and it'll actually work a little better and faster as well.